So hi guys, today we are learning how to add a linear gradient in a background. So let's get started. First, add a boilerplate to HTML. Add a title as a linear gradient and link to the CSS. Uh, Link to CSS. To open a CSS file, just click on it and go to body and go to background. Don't go to background color, just go to background and type linear gradient to right, apply comma, red or yellow. I'll go with yellow, red, pink and blue. So click on go live. Yeah, this is how it will look. If you want to change the position, you can just shift into left. It will look like this. If you change its top, bottom, whatever you can do. Yeah, this is how linear gradient works in HTML and CSS. Follow for more electro developer.